Alright fellas, another video. Just upgraded the bike. Got a new front suspension, some new brakes, little headlight, horn. Got some new pedals right there. Obviously new tires. These Maxxis, I highly recommend. They're super awesome. Got a seat that won't hurt my nuts. Got some new handle grips. Top up there. You can hold when you're shifting, makes it real easy. Super nice. But either way, I'm gonna make this a short video. Still got my LED lights hooked up on the bottom there, and then of course I got my light on the back, light on the front. Anyway, pretty kick-ass riding bike now from where it was started at, so pretty awesome. Anyway, if you want to see anything more or you want to send a comment, like, subscribe, and I'm out.